What is going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a trade breakdown that I literally just took right now, and it finished off by hitting our TP. And I'll also be announcing something new that's coming out in this video as well. So starting off with this trade breakdown, I did actually end up taking a loss on GU going long on this 5-minute demand zone. We can see that there was a demand zone present, gaps present. We had a break of candle entry to the long side, and I ended up not hitting stop loss, but right before stop loss was hit, it went to my entry and I ended up closing it at about a 1% loss. And then when I noticed that price was doing something like this, I went down to the 1 minute and I started using my 1 minute super scalper strategy, and I noticed a reversal forming. So now for a reversal to form in my books, it's that the high over here cannot break this high and close above it. If this candle was to have closed above this wick right here, then the trend could continue to the upside. Instead, we did not close above it, we instead wicked it. And then what happened, price came down and we had a closure below this candle wick low. As you can see, this candle wick low, this candle body closed underneath it. So it even formed or solidified my trend reversal starting to happen on the 1 minute time frame. So now right here is where I took my entry. We had a supply zone with a break of structure. See how this candle closed below this wick? So we had the break of structure. And not only that, we had a strong reaction off of this zone with this bearish hammer. And I got in a bit late. I was hoping to get in somewhere up here with my engulfing. I was looking at an engulfing entry right here, not a break of candle, because sometimes break of candles are fake outs on the 1 minute. So I take engulfings instead. And we basically rode price to around a 1 to 2 or to about this 200 moving average right here, which I was targeting. So I was targeting about a 1 to 2, nothing more, nothing less, because I think price could easily reverse, take this liquidity resting up here, hit this or get into this sort of zone, and then continue to move on down. So there's two likelihoods. Price can come back up, something like this, and then drive down, or price could, just start stair stepping on up, take out liquidity resting all up here, form a new supply zone to then take the price to go down. I ended up closing my position for a 1 to 2, so pretty happy about that. Now that's for the trade breakdown. As for the news, in the description of this video, I did end up releasing my super scalper 1 minute strategy course that you can go ahead and purchase and learn my strategy here. This course, it's not long at all. I think it's about maybe 6 or 7 videos about my strategy, and then with a couple of other videos included as well, where I'm just going to be jumping straight to the point of my 1 minute strategy. Now, my whole strategy is on the 1 minute time frame, and I know a lot of people are afraid of the 1 minute time frame, but I personally love the 1 minute time frame because I'm in and out of the markets, and then I can go about my day. If you also look at a lot of stock traders out there, they're constantly looking at the 1 minute or 2 minute time frame to try to catch options trades or stock trades within 20 minutes or so, and then to go about their day. So they're not really there for an intraday day trade where they're in for hours. I was approximately 20 minutes in length in this trade, and now I can go do whatever I want. I don't have to stress about the charts. I'm basically be teaching you guys how to avoid fake outs, how to spot reversals, how to correctly mark up break of structures, and how to correctly mark up supply zones, and how I do everything within the course. And I think, in my opinion, I priced it at a fair price. I'm not doing it at something like $600 or $700. I made it $149 for the course, which is more than fair and more than reasonable for the value I'm providing. Literally, this strategy took me, I think, about a year and a half to develop. Of just constantly working out the kinks and tweaking it out. I've always been a fan of reversal trading because we can always see that one session moves in one direction, the other session moves in the other, and if we can capitalize on figuring out when that move happens and what entry models to use, we can definitely make a lot of money in a short amount of time and go about our day. So if you're interested in purchasing my course, the link is down below in the description. You can go ahead and click that link. Also, all the money that is earned from that course, I'm not going to be going ahead and using it to, buy luxurious items and stuff. No, I'm looking to put that money back into this YouTube channel to then provide more valuable content to you guys. I'm going to be taking all the money earned, and I'm either going to be starting challenges, like for example, turning $200 into a couple $1,000 if I even can, or I would basically be using that money to help give back to you guys, maybe host some giveaways, maybe offer discounts, maybe even up my quality here on creating content, get an, a proper ring light camera, maybe an editor even that can do my editing for me. So all the money earned, I'm putting it back into this channel so that I can provide value for you guys and continuously provide value for you guys. That's why I price it at such a low price, right? In my books, at least, that's what I think. If you check out other content creators, that's their monthly subscription fee. It's $150 just to be in their Discord for them to call out some sort of trade. And speaking about Discord, I will be releasing a Discord, and trust me, that's also going to be at a fair price as well. There's going to be a little bit of a delay that I'm going to be releasing that out. I'm not releasing it out anytime soon though. However, I still need to work on what's going on my end, and then once I'm ready to be able to teach people about my strategy, I will release the course, and it'll be at a reasonable price where I can start teaching people to become a full-time trader. But yeah, and in any case, let's all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next episode or next video. Take care.